Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up a dedicated subdomain for your emails in GoHighLevel. Now obviously before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel with our link down below. And let's get started with this particular video. So as you know, I don't actually have the access to the email right here, but if I have, I can go to marketing. I can go to emails here and I can basically go and create a subdomain. But basically this is how it's going to work, right? You need to go to settings. So when you're in your subdomain or in your sub account, you need to go to settings and go to the email settings, and from there you will have email services. Now, if you're in the LC system or email system, you can find the dedicated domain button. So you can switch to the LC email system to create a custom sending domain. So basically, if you already have a domain or if you want a subdomain, you can go here to click dedicated domain. And from there, as you can see, you can basically go and you can verify your domain. So obviously, you will need to go through the setup. We did make a lot of videos on this, on how to set it up, depending on what your hosting is. The propagation will take up to 24 hours, right, for your subdomain or domain to be propagated. Obviously, you want to go and you want to apply and verify domain here, and you want to apply your new DNS records to your company DNS provider's platform. So that's what you want to do, right? Obviously, from there, you need to set up a dedicated sending domain for notification emails. So go to settings, email settings, and email services. From there, you have the dedicated domain, and you can basically go and set it up. Now, this is how it's going to be set up, right? It's very simple. Obviously, you want to go and you can also add a workflow domain. You have one conversation domain and default dedicated domain as well. This is kind of like a domain configuration system. Obviously, once that is set up, you can go into deep into it, how you can set up your domains, right? It's obviously a very simple way how you can go and how you can add like default header, and stuff like that. Here you have dedicated domain, you have domain configuration as well. But as you can see, if you added a domain that is not verified at time and some records are not verified, you need to basically go here and verify your domain. So that's basically what you want to do. So, and with this way, you can add a lot of different dedicated subdomains for your email with this. So as you can see, this person has two domains right here. So you can add another domain right here, which is another way how to add a domain. So obviously you can also add domains, multiple 3 domains, as you can see right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find it useful. Again, if you want a 30-day free trial, you can go with our link down below, and we'll see you in the next video.